If your vehicle is showing a P0012 code, in this video I'll explain what it means and how to go about fixing it. What is a P0012 code? It stands for Intake Camshaft Position Timing Over Retarded Bank 1. This means that the onboard computer is detecting a timing issue on the intake side of the engine. Modern engines use several components to control valve timing, such as camshaft position sensors, timing chains or belts, and variable valve timing systems. When one of these isn't operating correctly, the computer will set this code. Bank 1 always refers to the side of the engine that contains the number 1 cylinder. So once you locate cylinder number 1, you found bank 1. The issue will be on the intake camshaft on that side of the engine. Possible causes of a P0012 code. This code can be triggered by low or dirty engine oil, a problem with the variable valve timing system, timing chain or timing belt issues, a faulty actuator or cam sprocket, or even wiring-related problems. Engine oil level and condition. The very first thing you want to do is check your engine oil. Make sure the oil level is correct and that the oil isn't excessively dirty. The variable valve timing system relies heavily on clean oil at the proper level, and if the oil is low or contaminated, it can prevent the system from operating correctly and cause this code to set. So before moving on to anything more complicated, always start by checking the engine oil level and condition. Variable valve timing solenoids. When you get a P0012 code, there are a few key things you'll want to check, and one of the first is the variable valve timing system, sometimes called variable cam timing. These systems use small solenoids, usually one for the intake camshaft and one for the exhaust camshaft. The solenoids are electrically controlled and allow engine oil to flow through internal passages. As oil flows through them, it moves the actuators or cam sprockets that the timing chain or timing belt runs on. By controlling oil flow, the system can slightly advance or retard camshaft timing as needed. With a P0012 code, you'll want to focus on the intake variable valve timing solenoid on your particular engine. These solenoids can become clogged, especially if the engine oil hasn't been changed regularly or has become dirty. In some cases, they can be cleaned and reinstalled, but often a faulty or sticking solenoid will need to be replaced. Also, be sure to check the electrical connection going to the solenoid. Any wiring issue, such as an open circuit, a short, or a poor connection, can cause the same symptoms as a bad solenoid. If you have a V6 or V8 engine, make sure you're checking the intake variable valve timing solenoid on bank 1, which is the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder. Timing belt or timing chain alignment. If you've checked the variable valve timing solenoids and everything looks good, the next thing that can cause a P0012 code is a timing belt or timing chain that has slipped. When this happens, the camshaft timing is no longer synchronized correctly with the crankshaft, which can trigger this code. To check this, you'll need to inspect the timing marks. Most engines have alignment notches or marks on the camshaft gears and the crankshaft. With the engine rotated to the proper position, all of these marks should line up exactly. Typically, you'll find marks on each cam gear and another on the crankshaft pulley or gear. When everything is timed correctly, all of these marks will align at the same time. If one of the marks is slightly ahead of or behind where it should be, that's a sign the timing belt or chain has slipped, which means there's a timing issue that needs to be addressed. All of the gears must be perfectly aligned. If they're not, the engine won't run correctly. One more thing to keep in mind is belt wear. On engines with a timing belt, an old belt with high mileage can stretch over time. In some cases, the timing marks may appear to line up when the engine is off, but under operation, the stretched belt can still cause timing problems. If the timing belt is very old or has a lot of miles on it, that's definitely something to consider when diagnosing this code. Camshaft actuators or sprockets. If you've gone through all the previous checks and the code still keeps coming back, the next thing to look at is the camshaft actuators or sprockets. These are the components that the timing belt or timing chain rides on, and they're where the actual cam timing changes take place. As oil flows through the variable valve timing solenoid, it directs oil into these actuators, which then advance or retard the camshaft timing. This is how the engine adjusts timing on the fly. While these parts don't fail as often as things like variable valve timing solenoids, dirty oil, or timing belt issues, they can still go bad. In most cases, with a P0012 code, the problem ends up being something simpler, like a sticking variable valve timing solenoid, low or dirty oil, or a timing belt or chain issue. However, if you've checked all of that and still can't pinpoint the problem, then inspecting or replacing the camshaft actuators or sprockets is the next logical step. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.